Hi guys. So guys, I'm discuss about that very important one. So guys, I'm going to discuss like a channel here. So guys, I'm discuss about that how to create the Facebook ads option. So in this ad, which ad is better? So how we can creating ad? So that all will be coming to the Facebook option. So select the particular website. So in this website, first you can promoting for your complete website through app promotion purpose. In this one, what are the posts you done here? Everything will be coming to boost post. Every option is there. Now in this campaign, we have to create option name is called brand awareness and reach option. That is mean by your traffic also there. So in this one, you will be understanding for website creation option. Now we'll be discuss how you can creating for website traffic will be. Now select here, click for continue. So in this website traffic, they come into your Play Store option. So in this option will be here. So guys who are coming to first time visit my channel, please subscribe our channel and comment me. Anything I comment missing here, you can rectify your doubts as well. You can chat with the customer to with every people coming to my website. Every blog is ready. You can chat with us with the WhatsApp also. Now coming to this option, here this website how we can start promotion. So in this, what are the website you're promoting here? Selecting this option, select your campaign option. That is my option will be traffic. Click for next. Here, traffic nothing but we can select your option name is here. Website, app, messenger or WhatsApp. Which option you're looking for. So that is we can selecting option name is called maybe app also will be select. When app will be select here, which you are storing for app store or play store option. Here will be selecting option will be daily we can selecting minimum 75 rupees budget. The minimum budget you can selecting for 75 rupees. After selecting your daily budget, you can increase the budget will be your particular reason purpose. 110. Your link clicks and reach also will be there. Link clicks and reach also will be there in this. If I'm selecting for 80 rupees, the budget will be selecting for 1000 to 3000. The clicks will be 23 to 67 clicks. After this option, we can target the audience. So what are the audience you will be target? You can audience will be target will be here. The target will be in this Telangana, India, and Andhra Pradesh. Once you select is done, they show you your particular option and selected age peoples. So this age people will be target up to 45 years will be target. So the people will be. So detailed targeting, I am targeting everyone. So if you target any particular things, we'll be targeting for students. We'll be targeting for students. Next will be called parents, which is coming to the interested, not demographic. We can select in for interested parents. Here is the all option. This will be. So we can using for the particular option. Now in this particular reason, finally, we have two options. Automated main placements, device all, only when connect to Wi-Fi. No. So people will be connecting only Wi-Fi, not like that. Will be target for mobile data users also. We target by mobile data user also. After this one, they will be. If this ad will show to customer where Facebook, RS network, Instagram, and Messenger. So that is called. We have selecting all option will be there. You can go to the manual placements also. These are all placements. Here, they're not showing here. What is the reason? They not look at this particular option. Finally, my option will be link control. Each link I am give the 5 rupees. The links will be, they give the particular option will be given here. So there is error. So that is called, I am not mention any particular rupees in your particular option. So here, the app install campaign, what are the errors you occur, don't give any particular suggestion will be here. Finally, click for next. So this option, we have to setting for your Facebook page and your Instagram account. Will be click your option will be here, create ad, single image. So add media, we can select your image here. Image will be upload. Where your image will be exactly, we can go to the particular image option. Image selected. Next, this image will be, all sizes will be accepted. Here click for this primer option, headline, deepening, and use your app here. So every option will be created in this particular option, in this your particular here. So here the section multiple apps can't be edited, either app can't be displayed here. So this option will be showing some error here. So verify to you're changing this option. The simple will be app is not showing here. Simple, we can go to your option will be website. So website will be selected here. Click for next. So people come into your website, they click your particular app link. So here, so where is your website link? You can add your website link option. Website link. Now you can writing for your particular title option. So here, final everything is done. Now you can check any options. Any further changes you require, you can add your particular option. Image is done. This ad will be shown to the particular customers. There is a variation up of 16 position. Search results, feed, instant article, instant video, and your particular group feed and Instagram Explorer. These all will be Messenger inbox, audience network. These are all your position. We can show your particular ad option. Finally, you can go to the close, click for publish. It is going to the publish mode. It is activate within 1 hour or within 10 minutes or less than 24 hours time will be taken based on when your Facebook team will be approve your ad, they show to the particular customers. After publishing, no need to refresh, just close it. You can go to the campaign structure. The campaign will be going to here, that is called in this option. So right now his account will be error. Nothing but you have to add the payment option. That is nothing but your billing will be zero. The showing called account error. When add your billing in your funds, the showing will be pending on your option. Now adding for budget here. Select your add funds. In this funds, I'm selecting for Paytm. So selecting for 300 budget, add funds. So what are the Paytm your budget will be here? Add your budget in this option. Wait for a second. So payment will add it. Now go to ads manager. Now in this ad manager, previous they showing for account error. Now will be showing for in review option. Within time of period, the review will be accepted. They started your posting on your particular option. Now they will be show the option will be called to activate your particular option to the particular ad to show to your customer will be in your Facebook. There is a messenger option, Facebook field, Instagram stories. That all field will be shown to your particular ad will be like this. So these all method we can follow to increase your ad and your awareness in your particular Facebook option that increase call your website traffic. The reach and website traffic completely different. You can follow this option to activate in your particular position. So any kind of doubts you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support how we can happening in a particular option. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Once ad will be approved, they can show results, reach, impression, cost per results, and amount spending, and when it is going will be in the campaign option. So here one question is there. So why you not mention the end campaigns date? That mean by the campaign anytime I'm running purpose, I'm not mentioned by the end date. So that is the reason of the I can't mention the end date option. Suppose you're running any event, any specific date, that we can promoting will be option will be here. That is called you can mention the particular date and time for start and end date. Follow this condition. Promote your business on the Facebook option. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Comment me any questions.